Welcome, everyone. It's docket 6690 UR 127, the application of Wisconsin Public Service Corporation for authority to adjust electric and natural gas rates. This is Mike Newmark, the Administrative Law Judge for the PSC. We are operating this hearing over Zoom, and we do have commission staff and utility applicant representatives in attendance. This is the public hearing session, one of two we'll conduct today in this docket. So we are ready to take public comments on this case. At the moment, looking at our participant list, I'll double check this now. So there's no members of the public I've identified in attendance at this point. But I did want to bring to your attention, we'll be back here at 6 p.m., same connection. And we are taking written comments. Now we do have about 14 written comments already on file. And just so everyone knows, although they were filed before the notice of hearing was issued, I'll accept those comments for the record. That's not our typical practice, but I think we may have had some confusion. We turned the public comment page on before the notice was issued. So I don't want to I want to be able to receive those comments. People were expecting that we would take them, so I'll receive those comments into the record. But another announcement I should make relating to public comments is that we have just issued a new notice in this case, and I'm going to put that on the screen share here as well. So we do have a second hearing notice for a future hearing, a public hearing in this case. It'll be November 1st at 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. in the Neville Public Museum in Green Bay. So that'll be an in-person hearing. And what that notice does is it changes the day that public comments are due. So I'm extending the public comment date beyond what was in the current notice. So the public comments will be due at this point Thursday, November 3rd. And we can take those either through the commission's website or US mail. So we'll continue to take comments in writing, and there'll be another opportunity besides today's hearing to make a comment in person, really in person this time. Okay, so still no one has joined us. It's just about 5 minutes after 1. So at this point, we're going to go into recess, and we'll await people who wish to come to the hearing, have them get connected here in case people are still attempting to do so. So let's go into recess until 1:15. Then we'll resume and see if we have any more, have anyone to take comments from. So at this point, you can turn off cameras and mics, and we'll be back at 1:15. Thanks. All right, it's 1:15, so let's get back on the record. So just checking in on our participant list, we have no members of the public in attendance, so we have no comments to take today. We will reconvene or restart the hearing at 6 p.m. and do this again. We'll be ready to take public comments at that time through the Zoom connection. Don't forget as well, the next public hearing on November 1st in person in Green Bay. And of course, written public comments are due no later than Thursday, November 3rd. All right, well, thanks very much, everyone. I appreciate people who did come to observe, and we're adjourned until 6. Thanks very much.